This is Lofoten, the land of the Arctic, the land of the midnight sun, the land of the northern lights, the land of pure and raw nature. Islands stretching their way into the sea, gathering whatever nature sends us. It can come down as rain, snow, hail, pouring sideways or flying, trickling down some of the world's oldest mountains and valleys, providing the most pure and raw starting point. This is where we come from. This is where we live. And this is where we work every day, trying to make something great. And you ask, what's our secret? Our location, Lofotpils, the taste of pure nature.